Hello, Chef here, back in one of the kitchens, and once again I'm working with some really cool stuff. These are super expensive dried chanterelle mushrooms. I'm putting some of them in this glass here, just enough for 2 servings. That's all I'm cooking tonight here. So 2 servings of chanterelles right there. That'll be good. It's going to flavor a really nice hunter sauce. To reconstitute the chanterelles, it's quite simple. Boiling water right over the chanterelles like this, and then you put a small lid of any kind over this to lock in the flavor. It's a little chopped fresh basil right there. I just want to lock this flavor in for a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to utilize these in a recipe. Fresh garlic. Use the hammer. It's so easy to work with the garlic. Just a real quick mincing here. This is cube steak, otherwise known as country steak, fried steak, pan-fried steak, whatever you want to call it. I'm making cube steak with a hunter sauce, so pay attention and follow along. Okay, the first thing I always do to my cube steak is add a little bit of salt and pepper and let them warm up. Let them rest a little bit before cooking. Fresh ground pepper, oh yeah. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is prepare a seasoned flour mixture right here. That is flour and some herbes de Provence mixed together. Alright, just a little bit. And quite often, for color, we're going to put a little bit of paprika in with the flour as well. So I got that all right here. Blend it together. Alright, so then we're going to remove this and put it aside and have this ready. Okay, a quick mise en place here. Of course, I've got some onion. We're going to go minced onion, very small, like this. Reserve that onion aside, and we're going to be moving on to the tomato. Ah, look at that nice, beautiful, fresh tomato. Very quickly, we're going to be removing the top of the tomato and giving the tomato just a quick small dice, like this. We've also got the chanterelle mushrooms, the fresh basil. Alright. Okay, this recipe is really very simple. I take my seasoned flour and I toss the steak in it very lightly like this. This is good to go. I've got a hot saute pan right over here. A little bit of olive oil in there, ready to go. And I'm going to start with 2 pieces of the steak at a time. Saute these babies up. Check the pan. Make sure it's hot. Okay. There we go. Let it cook. Okay, the steak's looking good, and that is a non-stick pan. I'm using non-stick tongs. Give it a quick flip like this. Nice and brown. Yeah. It's gonna be good. Adding a little bit of fresh zucchini. Okay, the steak's looking good here. Now we remove it from the pan, and very quickly we add our garlic and our onions. Just a touch more oil. And we let it cook. bunch of fresh herbs. As well as beef stock. Okay, at this point the steak goes back in the sauce and we coat it really nice like this, and we let the steak simmer in the sauce just for a little bit. Another pan here, we've got some olive oil and a touch of garlic and julienne zucchini. The finished cube steaks, the Hunter sauce, super tender, nice and thick. That's gonna be good. So here we go. To plate it up, I've got some of this beautiful zucchini, and I'm gonna put a little zucchini coming across the plate like this. Okay. And I'm gonna put one of these beautiful pieces of steak right here like this. A little bit of chanterelle and tomatoes coming across. This is my Hunter sauce. Oh yeah, I tell you, in a French restaurant, $30. But you can make this at home for about $5 or less. So just follow the tips and the videos and you'll be cooking like a gourmet in no time at all. The next step I got here, of course, is the fresh herbs. I'm just going to put a little bit around the plate like this. That's it. Thanks for watching the presentation. Please like, share, subscribe. Most importantly, support your sponsor. Keep cooking. Have a great day.